The Eureka OmniVerse NEU800 is a powerful upright vacuum built for easy whole home cleaning. With QuickShift versatility, anti-tangle cleaning, and HEPA filtration, it handles floors, stairs, and pet hair with ease. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Eureka OmniVerse NEU800 upright vacuum, crevice tool, dusting brush, pet tool, vacuum hose, handle, and user manual. How to use? To use the Eureka OmniVerse NEU800, start by attaching the desired cleaning tool and adjusting the vacuum for the surface you want to clean. For regular floor cleaning, push the vacuum normally across carpets or hard floors, and when you need to clean under furniture, press the QuickShift button to lower the handle for easier reach. For above-floor cleaning, remove the lift-off unit and use the extension hose with compatible attachments to clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. After cleaning, detach the dustbin using the release buttons, empty it into the trash, and reinstall it. The washable filter can be cleaned periodically for continued performance.
Smart features?
Lets the vacuum lower into a more flexible cleaning position at the press of a button, making it easier to reach under furniture and around obstacles. It adds extra convenience for cleaning beneath tables, chairs, couches, and other low spaces without as much effort. Helps reduce hair wrap around the brush roll, making it easier to maintain and better suited for homes with pets or long hair. It supports smoother cleaning performance on carpets and hard floors while cutting down on brush roll cleanup. Traps fine dust, pet dander, and allergens inside the vacuum to help keep particles from escaping back into the air. It supports a cleaner home environment while making the vacuum better suited for everyday whole home cleaning. Delivers powerful suction across carpets, rugs, and hard floors for more effective whole home cleaning. It helps pick up everyday dust, debris, and pet hair while maintaining solid performance on multiple floor types. The removable lift-off design lets you turn the vacuum into a more portable cleaning unit for stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. With the hose and included tools, it becomes easier to reach upholstery, corners, shelves, and tight spaces around the home.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Eureka OmniVerse NEU800 upright vacuum from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka OmniVerse NEU800 upright vacuum. See you at the next one.